Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please don't mind my bootleg intro. I literally forgot to film something because, as you can see, I was filling myself with this unit. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm taking this Honey by Honey hair. This is a ombre, beautiful ombre hair in a kinky curl that I was sent. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's full all the way throughout. It looks amazing. However, it is just not the same color blonde as me, as my natural hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually tone these, and I'm going to use my T18 from Wella, and this is just going to remove any of the orange color. So I'm just mixing it now with a 30 developer. I know it's a little bit high for a developer for your toning, but I mean, I wanted to do this quick. So you just want to make sure it's a thick consistency, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and begin applying at the bottom of the hair and working my way up, so that I get that gradient effect of my hair getting lighter and darker at the bottom. Or sorry, lighter at the bottom and darker at the top. Now that I've got the hair fully saturated all the way through, I'm just going to massage it in a bit just to make sure I didn't miss any pieces, so that everything is fully saturated. And then what I'm going to do is place them back onto my tin foil here, and I'm going to wrap it up and let it sit. I was originally going to let it sit for 30 minutes because that's normally what I would do, but then I realized that I was using such a high developer, so I only let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then I went ahead and began rinsing it off just because I was starting to see the color that I wanted. Now that everything's toned, you can see the major difference. The one that I toned is a lot more cooler, and that warmth, brassiness has been taken out of the hair, so it looks a lot better in my opinion. I'm not really a honey blonde kind of gal, so I'm just going to go ahead now and pop on a wig cap onto my mannequin head, and I'm going to begin building a U-part wig using the glue method, and I'm only going to be using 3 bundles for this, and it's going to be a glue gun method, so it's going to be super easy, super quick, and what's great is I can reuse this hair over again. All right, so there we have it. This is the final product of the hair. I will say it turned out exactly how I wanted it to in regards to color. However, because my hair texture is not as tight of curls as this, I found that it didn't blend as well as I would have liked it to. I would say these coils are more for like a 4A, 4B kind of hair. I have 3B hair, some places 3C, so like this is not exactly the texture for me. However, I will say that the hair quality itself is amazing. It did really, really well with the dye. It took well to the dye, and it didn't kind of fray or get kind of gross. There isn't much shedding, like I'm pulling and it's not coming off. Like in order to get it out, you gotta cut it out, kind of thing. So that's good to know, that you know that the hair is actually secured to those wefts really good, and the wefts are super, super thick. Like I thought I was gonna need all these bundles to make this, but I probably could have made it with less bundles. As you can see, the curls haven't been manipulated. I didn't manipulate them in here, and they are a really, really pretty curl. I did manipulate the ends a bit. However, when you wash it, from what I've experienced, they will go back to this curl. But I went ahead and I took my pick just to fluff everything up a bit because I wanted really big, huge hair. So, I mean, I will say that this hair, like I said, great quality. The only downfall to it, I would say, is it's not going to match your 3B or 3C hair if that's what you have. If you are a type 4 girl, you are good to go. This will blend amazing with you. Or if you want to get a closure, then you're obviously good to go because you're making it into a unit. But for a U-part unit, I think this turned out pretty bomb. It's kind of like Foxy Cleopatra, and I'm a whole lot of woman. That's what it reminds me of. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. I will put in the description box all the information about the unit and where you can go to purchase it. And if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.